know say we get vision and His Excellency so it's a big fight. So for the young people that work, so we get skills and for invest in the economy, we will do that in agriculture, that the surest way to do that because we will now harvest, we feed futa, we feed salon, we feed pujan, we get young man then with the old man then, we get students then we now the work, get to test technology and innovation, different hybrids now, and then we will create really good values in the community, civic education as well. I'm glad as Chief Minister, and I support President UN Vision in Big Five and Feed Salon for working at this community here and for making us get this community engagement farm with all man. Because if we do that, we will deliver.
All right. So
for how Paramount Chief them for embrace government delivery. And I want to tell you thank you. Modestia Corneli, Amos, Seb Wamumaima. If now my HG came out, where I go? Me agree with that. For when one more government in a moment in a Kukuiva, Wauva. March 5, we need inside this course barrier. Today, October 5. Oh, can March 5? It not being that I'm stop, that bourgeois me go. I not being getting reason for stop now. But this big brother, they force me say, I go outside it. And the big brother, they say, I go outside. So, my other engineer, they force me say, I go outside. Because let me live on my program. Where I come, Chief and Professor, now this Barry, and welcome the March 5. I don't been any intention to do anything at this community because it's not been in our program. What we can, when I ask we say, when I want to do farming, when I say Feed Salon, Nina President Viewing Agenda. And because Feed Salon and President Viewing Agenda, when I invite me, I say, when I want to do farming with me. I say, oh, I don't remote the farming. Today, 7 months exactly, today, October 5, we can't go cut rest. That will start this barrier. Now, when we can say we will deliver, this now means we have delivered, we deliver. That thing we talk 7 months ago, now we don't can do that today. The farm project, now named the Radical Inclusion Community Engagement Farm. And also because no more than radical inclusion, I write book and the President Bill Nye, the Papa for radical inclusion. Radical inclusion means electing a small picking and there. And then hearing from the chief, that the farm project. Electing an old person, electing a chief. We all equal. We all for participate. Ghana pageant. Again, but who innovation there? So we will come up pageant. I want for me who are really be proud because the team who don't do na example na the work. And the minister said we can't do much fun than the example. Number one, we are not going to do big scale swamp farming na inside bush we have the farm, upland, mainland. And when we do mainland farming, we have to cut acoustic then, climate effect, we have to fuel the environment for more do big farming. But inside swamp, you don't have to go cut stick the inside swamp. Irrigation daily, you have to work fine. You be able to process that land there and you can't do it again multiple times. But even though we get plenty swamp now, the whole community surrounded by swamp, we are not being done to big scale swamp farming yet. They say maximum that be 5 acres they do. But yeah, we all don't can. We don't do 100 acre minister. We don't do 100 acre minister. That's number one. So waiting people that have been do before, we all don't do one. We should say it's possible for the one. And the thing we want for add back, even though we do that community family, not to one person get her, not to me get her. Now we all get her. Even though we do that community family, each of them go make their own family back. So not to say that family don't go there to get to. They get that community farm, then they get a own farm then. Where they really symbolize the community engagement and the radical inclusion part and that project there. Inside this project here, the labor, now they give the labor. As you hear, one day on this project, no grumble say, oh, then we don't send rest, the rest loss. One day we don't hear on this project, so we don't send money for pay labor and the money loss. One day we don't hear for say people then they fet and make alhala on this project here in the last 7 months. So what project? Who will manage white paper? Obey to where we go my way boy. And then because we engage the community, we also, and this now as individuals, we all contribution there. We engage the academia, Professor Willie Jala, INSEFGI, a young technical idea there, and people that will come under the university, the ministry, use SEFGI young idea them, and for support this project here. One part of the thing that we President Bioki always talk about, the Big Five. Now the perfect example of Big Five now this radical inclusion community project. And I will explain now the small. Number one, it's for pig salons. We don't make 100 acre rest farm. And now we can go begin harvesting. Number two, it says skills development, human capital development. That we sister we get our phones on their hand. A day under President Bill, now they don't train as technician for fish farming. Yeah, community fish farming. We don't come in here a center of excellence for fish farming. I don't take was just now. President Bill 9 pay for me take was. But not tap day. Now they get skills for turn technical fish farmer and people they deny and we see the farm and fish farm yanda with government don't select here for be a center of excellence. Government not select anymore because they let you now. Now because of the good work we wanna do for the first project, now make government cancel. So we wanna say we want for do more. These projects here what we don't do, this rest, it come up fine. By the way, President Bill know about this farm here and I give the idea set to me for how we can do this farm work here because this is a big farmer. So this work here, we don't lead for maybe the Ministry of Fisheries. We are on a clap for the Minister of Fisheries. For maybe the Ministry of Fisheries select tuna as a community government site for do fish farming. That project there, where they train with sister, where I mentioned just now, and then we brother and family them. And therefore lead to many more projects there because we muko ke wa usobelo. Sobelo eno. So sobelo ando we mwa wa hande sia boto here. We just hearing say we need storage. Chief them not get enough storage. Me, Mr. Minister, I know say me you don't travel all over this country. Me you don't go down the north, we don't go down the east. Me you don't go sideway, we go do storage. I know see that in the projects. Do ya? On behalf of them, if I'm moving here, I want me remember them for storage. And because they don't embrace agriculture, do ya? That for can I don't know what you get for permit will that will be but we all now we get for go harvest. But we get 100 acre for harvest. We get 100 acre rest for process. And we do experiments for how much we yield there. Which I want me know, Mr. Minister, you let me tell you, but we are researcher and we're professor among we. We actually do experiments on this agriculture for test how the yields they did depending on the variety they will plant. For assure you say we go give that data there. The farm manager there, Tradina, we all go to Rwanda, sit up there and clap for you. And we all go to Rwanda and we talk about the farm. And they do that research project there for know how many bushel we plant, whose variety then we did it, and so that we calculate the yield. And we'll give that information there, whose side be there. Because we get new seeds then they'll get old seeds then. We know whose side they're all in there, and we could still get that yield there. So do we have that for help we with anything we do giving as government for the community. Like I say, not to be farm, the farm meaning community engagement farm. All my that they get that farm there. I want for a show now, and I want for use this opportunity because when I asked, Siala well logo move vegetables here, Thai vegetable in the end. God in the here. How in the here? Muama muyabasi hibido. Jipate one day muyabasi hibido here. So muama mu experiment. Tell muyabasi a vine biaka. Iko ina tonya ya Mr. Minister. Ke muama mutoina yabasi a vine lo bi hingejia. We muama mukude himbo lo. So God ina udia web logo muhi mahinji jifa. To call Lima, say agriculture in the Imi Lima. Oya already, Oya Upawebia, they don't go put in for pepper already. For make so that to begin harvest, so we begin plant pepper. As we begin well done,